what's up, fam? This Earl Machete and New Mobb. Listen, we're going to be here with the youth of Scripture Cathedral for their youth explosion. This is part 2. Total surrender. Listen, we got special guests, KJ Scriven, he's going to be here. Bonner's going to be here. Chris Jones going to be here. And look, our dancers, take a look at them. They getting ready. They getting ready for the youth explosion. Hey, dancers, wave to the people. They're getting ready. They ready. They getting ready for the youth explosion. Look here. Hashtag more than a concert. Hashtag total surrender.